Welcome back to Swankey. In today's video, we're going to talk about the value of being able to create your day of schedule. As many of us know, the run up to an event is very chaotic, but oftentimes the day of can be chaotic if no one knows exactly what they're doing, where they have to be doing it. So we have the ability here at Swankey to create a day of schedule. We're starting for Alexandra's big day in our event headquarters. We're going to jump over at the top bar and press logistics. And here we go to our overview and select the purple arrow to our drop down menu. And we can either select to see our winning vendors, our financial tracking and our budgeting, the calendar leading to the day of, or our day of schedule. So let's go ahead and click our day of schedule. This is already populated. The event is Saturday, March 30th, and we can see we have several items already added for the day's schedule. We're going to go ahead and add a new item by pressing the button in the top right corner. We can select the date and we can select the time. Let's choose 7 a.m. and we're going to say wake up. Sometimes people need a little bit of a reminder for that. Location, anything you like, a specific address, or you can just write home. And maybe don't forget to set your alarm. We can always add participants, although we're not required to. If we want to make sure to include someone, let's say Alexandra, and then press create. There we have 7 a.m. Wake up Alexandra. It's going to be home, and there's our note. So there you have it. If you would like to change or delete so you can move around your day of schedule, just go to the right hand side of the screen and you'll see three little dots. Press those, giving you the option to delete the item or edit it. In this case, we're going to press edit, and we can go ahead and remind ourselves to set another alarm just in case. And there you have it. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching. Happy planning and happy hosting.